Hey, let's take a look at how you can instantly create an API for your customers based on just the absolute minimal data that you get out of an Excel spreadsheet. Got some comments that this might not be possible, so let's just go ahead and do it. So we're in a new Chain.io flow, which is our word for integrations. We're going to choose as our source here an email address because you don't have any IT support. So we're going to say anything you email to this address is going to become available to your customer in the API. So you could schedule a report from your TMS, grab that data any other way you want. We're not going to worry about the file type here because we're going to let the AI deal with that. And then for destination, we're going to choose a customer file API. So click that. We give it a name and we make an API key for our customer here. And we're going to use the Chain.io custom processing to deal with our spreadsheet. So our spreadsheet looks like this, pretty basic, shipment, origin, destination, dates, and what have you. And our customer gave us a very specific format that they need an API that they use with their previous provider. And in order for us to move their freight, we got to meet that. So we're going to go into our AI helper here, and we are going to put in some instructions. And just to be clear on what those instructions are, we're saying plain language. We're going to get an Excel spreadsheet. It's going to have these fields. We want to split it up, and we want the shipment number to be the file name because that's what our customer is going to look it up by. And this is the example the customer gave us of how that's supposed to look. We're going to hit generate code and wait a few seconds.
A few moments later.
And we've got well-documented, clear code generated on how to read the Excel workbook. We're not going to go through all this right now, but generates the workbook, pulls the values, outputs them the way we want them, puts clear comments, gives us a nice description of what it did. And then we're going to accept that code. We're going to skip all these other options, and just to make our demo a little easier, we're going to make an upload page so we don't have to open up our email inbox here. Customer upload, upload page, and we're going to secure this to just Chain.io users. And we're going to copy this address off because we're going to need it in a second. We will go ahead and save this, and we're going to deploy it into our live environment. Now we can bounce over to that upload page that we created. Grab our spreadsheet off our hard drive and drop it onto our upload page and go. Now that we've done that, we have our API up and running. We'll go and we'll see our execution here of what just happened. So here's our data moving through the system, and we will see that it took 1.2 seconds to go through all that data, split it up into a whole bunch of different shipments. And now we can take, we're going to hop over to our command line here, and we are going to do what the customer system would do. We'll use this command line option. We'll look for shipment 2. This is what the technical team would do at the customer. They go there and they get their exact data in the format they wanted: shipment number, origin, destination, reference number, departure, actual, all in the formats they expected. And you have a live API that works. Every time you schedule your report to go in, it would update all the shipments and you are good to go. I hope you enjoyed that demo, and if you want more information, check us out at Chain.io or ping me, Brian Glick, on LinkedIn, or email us at support@Chain.io. Have a great day.